Owning EV chargers is a smart investment. They support residents, customers, and tenants while creating value for your property, but only when they're working. EV chargers are long-term infrastructure. They require regular maintenance and a plan for the unexpected. That's why at Blue Whale EV, we created WhaleCare, a preventative maintenance program designed to keep your commercial EV charging stations running safely, efficiently, and reliably. But even the best maintenance plan can't prevent every issue. That's where WhaleCare Plus, powered by EVSTAR, comes in. WhaleCare Plus combines Blue Whale's preventative maintenance with EVSTAR's warranty, giving you complete protection for your charging infrastructure. Bundled together, WhaleCare Plus can cost less than buying preventative maintenance and a warranty protection plan separately. With WhaleCare Plus, your chargers receive regular service from Blue Whale EV, plus coverage designed to protect you against anything unexpected. That means fewer surprises, stronger uptime, and more confidence in the equipment your drivers rely on. Whether your chargers are brand new, already installed, or even installed by another provider, Blue Whale EV can come out and help you get WhaleCare or WhaleCare Plus. Don't get left on the hook for broken chargers. Scan the QR code, call Blue Whale EV, or email us to ask about WhaleCare Plus powered by EVSTAR.